Dude. Ooh, aw. Can we zoom in, bitches? What'd you do?
On a blow-off valve.
We got a little sneeze machine for your little Jenny, huh?
Sneeze machine. Well, hopefully it sounds better than now.
Sounds like a turtle. Also, hardware, which apparently is necessary to do a sneeze machine and a Jenny, so.
Quit calling it that.
Sounds like a turtle sneezing. What do you want from me? Choo!
It sounds better from the outside.
It doesn't. Just louder. Just louder. Well, let's get back to Edmonton and tinker and slamming a little sneezer. What a lovely day to be doing this. Tornado warnings everywhere.
The important thing is we picked the moistest day to do this.
The province is either on fire or being winded to death in a circle tornado of death.
Yeah, that. Between Owen Wilson and when the turtles are banging, demonetized.
My YouTube channel. Alright, so what are we doing?
We're doing a blow-off valve on the Genesis.
Yeah, so today's episode, we're gonna remove this little sneeze machine and we're gonna slam in a bigger one. A thicker boy. Why do we got bolts? Get out of here.
Because...
Can't even see you, you're in the shadows. You're a shadow.
I get tools.
They all Allens?
No, those are 10 mils.
Yeah, those are 10s. Alright, so, blow off, why?
Well, it's supposed to maybe help me make more power in the long run, but more importantly, it doesn't sound... It'll hopefully sound better. Let's keep this monetized.
So, what were you saying about this? Because it's fascinating.
About what?
Why can't we reuse those bolts?
So, if you'll notice, this is part of you, how thin that stamped steel is right there. And that bolt is literally as thick as this flange is. So, if I use those bolts, they won't thread in anymore.
That is hilarious. That is the most Hyundai engineering I've ever seen.
And the guy I bought it from never gave me the bolts, so we guessed. So here's where we find out, and I'm glad we're doing this on camera, where I go to put this all together and I have the wrong bolts.
Editing. They'll never know.
We're the greatest. We the greatest.
Yeah, to the untrained eye, we know what we're doing. I may have noticed, we have had, as you mentioned, the Genesis on the channel before.
Oh, yeah, by the way.
Yeah, so, but, we're aware we haven't done a video on it yet, right?
Should probably do that.
Yeah, but guess what? That's not today.
Enjoy another video with literally zero background information.
It's a really nice car. Why haven't you shown it? Honestly, I don't know. We've tried. It's just never happened. So, today, blow-off valve.
Yeah.
Let's get you a little 10 mils. Voice crack.
Nice.
This looks like a lame job. I'll get the tripod.
Yeah.
Really glad we just been driving it so it's nice and toasty.
The important thing is it's right off the turbo.
It is frighteningly hot.
Well, let's get our fingers in there.
Yeah, I'm calling it. If this takes more than 10 minutes between us two journeymen, we should get a Honda.
I thought you said their magic words literally 20 seconds ago. The magic of editing.
Right, fair. Pappy.
That it's just a piece of pop tin.
It's a Coke can recycled into a Hyundai.
Like, you can even hear it.
Okay.
So basically,
that costs a lot of money for someone to engineer at Hyundai.
Yeah, right. It costs more money to. It probably costs more money for one person to design this on CAD than the materials they put into it. Like one guy put 1 hour at like $35 an hour, and they're like, okay, now it's absolutely critical that we use less than $5 of parts on the finished product.
To this beautiful TurboXS blow-off valve.
But it's their small one. It's the big. It's not a real blow-off valve. Don't get it mixed up. It's a hybrid.
Oh, it's a bigger sneeze machine. That's all that matters.
Stop calling it that.
Other than that, everything is still very hot. So, you know, it's going well. So far, we're like 4 minutes in to our 10-minute job, so...
Well, we're halfway, so we're on schedule, technically.
Yeah, well, these bolts better work, or else...
I should probably check that.
Yeah, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to stand here and...
Oh, thanks for the help, buddy boy.
They're 1 pointer finger's width of threads. Okay. I'm a journeyman. I was at home doing this. How long is this bolt you got to get?
It is an M6 thread pitch 1.0, and these ones are, I think, 16 millimeters long. I'm pretty sure they were 16 millimeters long. Good luck.
For the record, I did feel bad doing that, so I went and got it. All right, let's slam her in. That looks hot.
I'll tell you what, it's sure not hot.
On finger cam again here. We have Kyle, the back of Kyle's hand.
Okay, I don't know what you want from me.
Now we are going to need to get a new hose, because even if you do get that on, that is going to be a 90. Actually, it's going to be like a...
Yeah, I'm going to go check for another hose.
Alright, so we need a new hose.
Oh.
I mean, who didn't see that one coming? Excellent thing that we have a surplus in this stuff. So, turns out we need a longer one. So why is that?
I have a sneaking suspicion that port is bigger than this one too.
So what's the reason of you might having to run it over to the intake?
Is the what is horrible. Why would you have, like, what was the thought pattern here?
Oh, it's so cute. So anyway, triggers, check engine lights, and no boost. So we'll see when we get there, I guess.
We might have to go get an adapter.
Nah.
Well, look how big that is.
Nah, we just get Rammy. Let's do her.
There we go. You having fun?
Hey.
I love working with you.
So for the record, temporary until we know this is gonna work. And then we'll probably get some more hose, because we did not really have enough, but for now, that should do. And now you're gonna make some sneeze noises. It'll be like the Super Sneezer 3000, right?
I swear to God, I'm gonna burn your BMW to the ground.
No, it's trying to do that already, so let's not get carried away, maybe.
Wants to blow the head off the engine.
So, options. 1, it works flawlessly. 2, we window it immediately.
2, we have some real hot piston on valve action.
Well, I mean, I'll just stand right here and see what happens. Ow! That is absolutely 1,000,000% deafening when your head is right in there.
Go do the thing.
Oh, my ear corneas hurt.
Corneas.
Go do the thing. Go do the thing, he says. I'll go do the fucking thing. Sounds pretty clean though.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah, that sounds pretty clean actually. scurry home, A, before the storm, and B, before that security gets here and gives us a pee-pee slap. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Definitely feels like more than 200 horsepower, yeah, that's right? For sure.
It feels better than 207.
Oh, it's a doozy maker.
I'll reiterate, I have maybe a quarter-inch of fender clearance.
That's a doozy. All right, so far, blow-off valve, raging success, I would say. Sounds pretty clean. It's not obnoxious, not super loud. That's pretty gooder.
I'm actually stoked with it. Yeah, it's not exactly you said. It's not ridiculously loud. It just sounds like a blow-off valve. I'm happy with that.
It's nice and clean. It's definitely louder. I'm deaf in one ear, but that's a gooder. So, oh, that was some good burbles I got on camera. Well, thanks for watching. Videos of the Jenny to come. I'm sure
we'll actually introduce you to her sometime soon.
We'll actually let you know what this vehicle even is. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Things to come for sure, right?
Yeah. Hopefully, hopefully more videos.
Dog. Hopefully more videos. Hopefully I haven't retired off the career. Okay, see you in the next one.